Omwanju muligere Ndizi TV andonsi asoberete nande nigitarigi 11 momotinyo kyando mwaka 2023 ekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabarmaro ekrongo kwariania semesa yamangana mayabu nagendere wateka ime naisiko ya Gusii no kubuli kwa nairali bagalya olia benura manya senchera yoko ya chuta mainalia ndo korekana ime naisiko ya Gusii chingongo inye chense iria nyimoja sugusu amo nabosongo no semeri kwa nani wenda ko bay meyandi Steve Nero bwansubu magusi ekarondo jebuna amanganali yechinkwana go sebay Patson Talks nigo chagendera ari tukirolero asensemeli ya Bomas of Kenya ekrobo mabolibu asimioro moja bokura wana karonso msioka nensemeli ya serikali Kenya kwanza agikurawa na Kimani Chungwa bagendera ukwanira ali arengete go chikurigeri wasa matukaribosyo sense ya Kenya bayigo nindojena umo deputy governor we county ya Kericho nigobono banyarire bakori concert uziba kubwatana n'umugabana we county yo anene ayani gagoja ekeromurai gose umo deputy president Rigathi Gachagua anyarga kubakurira kakubaboli buna mwanjane gose manganande amakongu anyare ka korekana bayiga sensemeli ya Nyayo osase obisirja immigration nigobono muwasiri bwobolendi bwime kidure kindiki nande akora etare mbasukano ekarali koligereri naraliali agenderete gokorekana as ensemeli bayigo murai wense nigasyoliri omoroberio o digital osomoroberi wekerero as ensemeli ya Central Bank of Kenya era chokorobo koreri bwaye asaba Kenya yungati yana koreri ya senjeri yoko yajuta kaba munanje Ikomi elio ekaruto kubadana chosho utakurwa sensemo yumulwe manyelio abigari nyanja maina kimnago cheira senjera yechibi chamo niliogi eliane Brighton Makori. Tiabantu ya chake koruase county ya Kisii ekerokeria ense koligereria na kubeka emerubelio yogotanga okwerusya obomoyo asabantu abao ime yense keroringanelia rekanile kobomo chando omonene asabantu bakwerusya obomoyo nigo esegi yokurwania mariogo yogotindia kisegi cha nyomba amo nobogi magokonga bire gati yebintu biri bikorera abantu abange kwerusya omoyo ase ense ya Kenya molikeito Joshua the Miss na ndeto bwateri linganelio kolende nigatutumire kengese egekubwatia
ibintu mbire kemo kiabo twarorira abana b'eskuru bagwita mono litanga ni parenting yeito yabeirembe tobwata authoritarian tugatwara omuibori onde yani rende ajua leta abana igo ibintu ne binge bigochangia igo parenting gochangiera abana baito bagweita asengencho ya enchero omuibori yakomorera ibintu kende nande giachangire mono abana baito bakare gweita mono ase orogongo rwa Gusii n'abantu kwa jumura twaborirwe egento tokorokwa boremereria na gokorigeri family chinyinge boremereria mboi yororo
ndegende amalioga twateba madawa ya kulevya amaru nyasole sigara kera bana bakonya kwendo sikonywa wende amalioga ya kulevya they get poor judgment konyora bono na bakonya no boibi ya nandika kinabo judgment yabe ko bapuali na bakonyora barusi jobo moya ni kesi ibintu mbiri kwenda buya nigento kende konyora gambling ebintu ebyo kola byo kobeka jibets abakonyora omuntu wani ligoso bekire gento geten abanega aliaye gose esi migose negento gete gakuruse beti eyo gakuruse beti eyo
ngana buna yoboigo ni gandete gukwanirwa CG county awo imeyenze ya Kenya anekeremero birita gendete kubekwa ase ogosomya abantu na kubate ibina banyare bagwetanga koru asibiribira abairire kwerusi amagima abo weekendima nigobono ense ngima egendete kurigereria ebitambugero bire bikobekwa eri gwetanga koru aso kwerusya obomoyo turayuga kicounty ne kigendete kubeka emeroberio na gosemya nene abasaye gwetanga koru ase chinjera kigira abairire kwerusya obomoyo.
Leo tuko hapa kusherehekea the World Suicide Prevention Day ambayo ni siku ambayo tunafanya hamasa katika eneo bunge la Mbeere Kaskazini ili tuweze kuhakikisha ya kwamba ile rate ambayo wa Kenya wanajiua inapunguka.
I am here to tell all of us, let us not feel ashamed. Wacha tuache kuziba masikio, at this thing does not exist. Wacha tuache kukua na ile mafikira ya these things ni za wazungu huko. Hapana. This thing is affecting our children. This thing is affecting our mothers, our parents.
Most of the time tunapata the gap yenye inajiua sana ni youths, na tunataka kuwahimiza that suicide is not the solution. Na zile mashida tunapitia ama challenges isikue ndio chanzo cha kwanza kufikiria kujiua. Nitawahimiza sisi wote tukipitia hali ngumu, iwe ni hali ya kimaisha ya uchumi, iwe ni hali ya nyumbani kuna shida ama relationships, tujaribu kutafuta usaidizi.
Omwalimu omonene w'esukuru y'oboroso y'omobera Samuel Angira nigo bono atebire engaki edometry eyo yarenge senseme eyo yanyardege koya yanne yanyardege konyoro gosira litkuregorekera barai ao baigete senseme ye yukoru chibese nagoyo sire chikwaga jwekero barai twe nomurai wa mabwasumyoro moja Raila Odinga nigo bono omwalimu oyo mona atebiruna nigo babwatekerenge kiya kwene kuna esukuru ingonyorere dormitory enyi eyera chikokonya abana seskuru eyo kogendera na masomo abo boigo bali basomete esukuru eyo anene bakuru guchirumina na barabwo nigo bago keredige tambo kirekyo asibateruna bachikogendera gosira chisemi seskuru eyo yomobera egotoka sebunge ya machoge burabu county ya Kisii.
Currently, the population of the school is 1,265. The dorm which you want to put up in this school actually is boys' dormitory, which was planned in the year 2022, January on 8th. This dorm which we need to accommodate about 600 boys.
One of the things which I can be able to attribute this school for my success is the level of discipline which we learned in this school, and with the teachers who were there during that time, they really instilled discipline in us, and I think that's what I'm really applying today in my daily life. It's a very good school, and if you look at the current leadership and generation of this country, you can't talk of any class of leadership without mention of Omobera Boarding Primary School. It's a school which I really treasure. All the values which I'm upholding today were actually shaped from this Omobera Boarding Primary School.
The current recruitment, some teachers were sent out of their counties to come to their homes and seek for jobs. So if we can't build this school as the alumni of this school or as the people around this school, we are going to suffer. Let us make this school a big school. Wanafunzi wa shule hii, kitu tunataka kuambia, sisi tumepita hii njia. Tieni bidii, soma, mpite. The only thing we have is education. No land, nothing.
Abamenyi be county ya Nyamira nigo bagendete kuri birengererio ao anene keromo gavana bwe county Nyamira Amosi Kimomi Nyalibo anyara ga komwaka isiko mu wasiri bwa bajenu ase county yo Timothy Ombati ga ukwana nigitaseni Ndizi TV no momenyi gose omubwatani oyo Makori ase county ya Nyamira Chob Musigisi oyibono nyarega komochege tambo kirekyo ekyatheru no gavana niganda maminja yerichiko asoko mabuta Ombati.
Erebune gavana otebire na amariogo kerachite amariogo kerumu waziri abegete eoda agachicha bakaenda koronji bono karabaenda koronji amariogo bago kororonji ya amariogo gavana oikire onjokire na keroba leo kororonji ngiteli mariogo alenge koronji nechi box alenge koronji bono nakumiri sana kusaba ndo banyamire tokumeti bono narocha bana baminta ba mzie bago kwa na ali kabisa na baigoire bono baamuire okoroba side yoko ligereri naki inkigekogera amariogo kerachire chinyagetari gavana oronchiri nome waziri oronchiri barangeria abanyagetari bali in charge more especially chief farmer abantu bakoleta pharmacy baronchiri amariogo baigoire chikaton gavana oikirunchu kirena na teli mariogo alenge koronchi na teli mariogo alenge koronchi na nechi chikaton alenge koronchi bono mpaka nkwe boli riswaliga keroka banayo monto monene kuare koronchia amarioga arure gosenke msamwa begete order aikire nechigali mwatu wakirete chibigita tukarigere libona bananchi banyamira naki amarioga achire chinyagetani kumbe kali marioga alenge waikire kwa kane na nechikaton. How comes ukoge ukume waziri Ombati ogotebana nechikaton mwale koronchi kumbe ilikuwa deal yaikire waziri Ombati otebire no inche enteketi nkopogoli omusaraba nchebweka inkyukunge ukeraza gavana okumbutegas keroko butomo waziri Ombati iyo bwana tokubuta ne chief officer in charge of health
ase chinga keche Johnny gomosigisi nyaririga kobolia ba MCA bonsi be county Nyamira kurigereri engane iyo asoboime mono na gokore mirimo yabo buya asebega derna abo obisa bande bari bakore mirimo ase wisara yobochanu bunaba mnomo chibobiza amona bande na barombata keire gotigwe mirimo ekyagera lingane elyo nigo lirengete wisara yonsi yobochanu ase county ya Nyamira.
Siecheto nanyo emwe imukire nanko impeach more governor buna mwatebete naki ali saini omuntu kurukwi chief officer ali saini nonye na amawaziri ya governor Nyaribo mparo babwenerete ko koregasi yabo lakini batali gas baimukire mpaka bono bachakira obonyomba ibole Nyamira naye nyomba kyukuru ayenku alenga asitule wani inyo gwacholete professionals bakoregas bae ample time bakoregas ukusangi mpaka mbali go deliver bairanie ese vunge ya Nyamira ejuere county assembly orangel chemsio batena ki omuntu ubona na machorete nchena irete professional yaye nale qualified go koregas taisanereti ovaire igalia ese county assembly buka omuntu akoro vetting inyo taisani abe kusiko governor tapwa tinguru chiokubute omwaziri ataetereti county assembly.
Omanjo moreri kwanya goichanira engana ase ehamate ekoganya emyaka 3 etanya kweni nyagusira yono nigo agendete koba obo mangana yogokumia sensemeri yekinyerokia manyata goti yegotoka sebunge ya South Mugirango asibone eamateyamo ekarigo sabobo konyi korwa serikali kobakonya komoenia omwanchobo oyobeire asengendu ase myaka 3 goikabono asengencho yokungusana na kwendemero ase ensemeyo eamateyo nibono yabuli buna babeire bagotumeka chibesi nyinge asokugamba ebina igoro yendemero konende goikabono mbaranyora ichibu ulinde lyonsi
twachande kirega twasumbokire etogo saba enkeye iga enyore ruo bosibole twensi twabeira basibole gekogera kere buruburu egocha yego tosangi twensi pi totarali mwandondo asomuchi oyo mwando ito no morembe kiagera ensi omwama toka bwato morembe naye go no menyete buya twachandekire enkeye ga yachandekire omogaka kabiri buna atindike twa omomago kora gatinde kwa romonginoye momuro yo monena gatinde kwa kirubonere mechano kiruboga ngoja koira liroba ka ubande tibairete
gakinje nare kunya nare gusaba iga gusaba kwane na intu no turabataka toye yakija ito tomenye ga ko robogima Nyasaye okorwa onde tayo okorwa bogima Nyasaye okorwa ntuntu tali ntutu anchete mune family to chikomenyaga ntu twibore tugaiga mundu tayo ko na chisa
manya nae ni abana gaiga banena nya ko iroroje buneri iroroje ria chakireta somongino ko kumibori ominto no mugaka njega kienda sababara iga kimwanje motokonya iroroje ririsire ndo chandegete twamike kire chibesa twaminyo kire biombe na bina toko chibesa toko nya kumyo kase bina lakini moshake kene ngia twataboire gakimna twabarorire iga tatube ko gasemeri nango tokonya muri
Elio kogani gokore mechandeli bwaternete asensemeri ya Nyayo au senene chobis immigration ase county ya Nairobi nigo mowasiri boborendi bwaime Kithure Kindiki na anda akora itaro yaye abobisi goika samagacha yu anene asikirenga kiaye arengete gukora emechanderi ebwataranĩtie ase ensemeyo aso goichurana kwa bantu kware kwa basensemeyo nemeroberio yari gukwama nobokurumi bwenegetwe ase ensemeyo kurengana no mwasidio yukindiki nigabana tene nere yemo yo kwenekuna immigration department nigo gochokora emeremo yaye buya na gukora emechanderi egendete goichurana ase ensemeyo ase abantu badari konyora service zo bokorero buya ase ensemeyo nigateruna amonchereri ari banyara bagokora ao kurwa sensemeyo nigo bono aireire obosero buya ase ensemeyo ya nyayo au sinigateruna emeroberio nige ochigo chaka okorekana gochakira enseyemo ya mambia oikachi oikenseyemo ya maragoba erio emeroberia bene gokorekana asinchera endonge. Ekero togo sukabosio ni gobono omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyarire kagosiori omuroberio omuya ogosomoya oyorengete kubwaterani ebengi ya Central Bank of Kenya asobokorero buya ase ense yito ya Kenya kaokwana ase meri ya Central Bank of Kenya ase county Nairobi ni gadone nere kerenge ya kwena kuna aba Kenya bonsi konyora barobo korero buya korwa ase ebengi yenene yense ya Kenya.
With this new innovation, investors no longer need to physically visit central bank's head or branch offices to undergo the manual process of opening CSD accounts, which previously took 14 days and involved laborious manual transactions. The makers, operators, and users of the DAO from antiquity to our generation are united by one philosophy: the recognition that money is impatient and opportunities in the financial markets wait for no one. By retiring manual processes and providing digital platforms, the DAO allows investors to transact electronically at any time from anywhere in a matter of a few minutes.
Sensemo yaye omugabana bwebengi yo Dr. Kamau Tuge na bwataya haokwana.
Effectiveness in the attainment of its mandates and in pursuit of its vision to be a world-class modern central bank. Your Excellency, as you are aware, the CBK is mandated to formulate, implement monetary policy directed to achieving and maintaining price stability. We are also mandated to foster liquidity, solvency, and proper functioning of an efficient, sound, and stable market-based financial system. On this front, I'm happy to note that despite the negative global developments that have transmitted into the local economy, inflation has now firmly returned to our target.
Omowasiri wekiganja ya serikali ndungu nera nigaterumna niga serikali endete kubwatana nebyombe binde aneno nebenki nene yense ya Kenya eriwikirania bokoreri obuya ase ense ya Kenya nonyote abone siringi nigendete kusikikania ne edora niwatere nigo baendete kubeka emeroberio emia ayogosira birengo gose emeroberio awo asense ya Kenya.
The drought last year and also the subsequent surprise shocks. These surprise side shocks marked a very difficult season for central banks, given their mandate is to ensure price stability, but pressures from the supply side do require more than bringing the supplies back into the market, whereas the central bank use the demand side tools. But I'm happy to note that given the interventions the central bank and the government have implemented.
Abono nongo ikomweli wa mangana maya sinjira yoko ya juza Chinsa jiga kode nyora gekora gense ya maya bono marwaba nojiko ya nyora yo mona mange buna bali kibeto bendeta ko yaligania ndojiko ya sansa mara gekoraga ense ya bono marwaba kote inagendera kubwa timiroberi yetu me yandi Steve Nerobon smogusi asensemerie mitandao tonyore Facebook Ndizi TV News digital bwa sensema ya YouTube na bwa tonyora Ndizi TV News bwa kerenga kiana bwa gutuma gwetera sinamba ira siskini ayura bwende gwatonyora sinjira ya abena wakirembia mono tumira nditukoria ngyo asomoroberio bwensa kekolende ni gotobwatera na Auta kurwa sensema y'umundu w'amanyera pigari nyanja mwene kibunago cheira sirio yamo nechibija buna botambiriane Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.